everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at our brand new listing coming on the market at 6102 Courtside Drive in Racquet Club Villas. Absolutely gorgeous. When you walk up to the house, you have a cute little courtyard. It's all about courtyards. I guess that's why it's called Courtside Drive, because it's got this pavered travertine courtyard out here before you walk in the front door. This is a 2,100 square foot townhouse. To the right, you've got stairs that go up to the second floor where the master suite is located, along with a second bedroom and bath. When you go to the left, you've got this eat-in kitchen area and a 2-car garage. The kitchen has been totally renovated. It's got quartz countertops, beautiful gray cabinets, soft closed drawers, really quality stuff. All of the flooring in here has been redone, both downstairs and upstairs. It has a brand new stainless steel appliance package. All of the appliances, including the wine fridge, are under warranty. You've got a wet bar over here with a matching quartz, which is very nice. There is a pocket door separating your kitchen from your dining room in case you have a dinner party and you don't want everybody to see your mess. When you walk into the dining room, you've also got new lighting and another courtyard outside here, which is absolutely adorable. There is a third bedroom right here that has a walk-in closet, and it's also en suite. So you have access as a guest bath, also as a bath for this bedroom. This bedroom could also be used as a den. You walk into the great room area, you have vaulted ceilings in here, got new fan, log burning fireplace with a stone hearth, which is really pretty and unusual for our area. When you walk outside past these triple sliders onto the fully covered lanai area, you're looking out to this amazing preserve. It's super private back here. Amazing location, which is 5 miles from Anna Maria and walking distance to IMG. The golf course, everything is right over there. So it's coming on the market at $424,900 in a couple of days. Give us a call.